I'd say most of you probably know I got hurt, but I haven't really said much.
Well, that was Benny Bloss right there, finally providing an update. Obviously, the news we got from him from a couple weeks ago, or week ago, whatever it was now, that he'd been missing the last couple rounds of supercross after a pretty good year. Let's give him that. Like, he definitely proved that that beta and him are a competitive bike and rider combo, or separate, whatever you want to call it. But it does sound like it's worse than it was first reported, or however you want to say it. If you want to watch his whole update, it's going to be at the end of this video. So either, watch the whole thing, me talking, or skip through to him, whatever, or go to his Instagram and give him some, words of encouragement, whatever it is. But it sucks because you never want to see anybody injured at the end of the year. And especially this sounds like it's going to take a while if he's still in surgery or still having surgeries and still having problems with swelling. And it's never going to be good. Like, that's just, it takes all of the conditioning you have, all the time you've spent on that bike, and set you back so far. And sad to see. I mean, obviously he did prove that he was competitive this year, that got on that bike and looked fast, was, better than his teammate, let's be honest, even with the injury time for Colt. But with motocross coming up, what is it, like 2 weeks now, 3 weeks, something like that? I don't know. He's probably still pretty fit. Like, let's be honest, these guys are the top of the top, like when it comes to cardio stuff. But spending that much time in surgeries, in and out, swelling, having to deal with more surgeries, and just laying in bed, it sucks. I personally hope that he's perfectly fine by the time motocross comes around and he can come out and race and continue the good year he's been having. Because I mean, yes, it's been a good year. Why not? Why would you ever wish anything other than for him to continue? But hopefully that's the case. I don't know prognosis because I'm not a doctor or anything like that. But like I said, go to his Instagram, give him some words of encouragement, thumbs up, whatever it is, some hearts, and hopefully he's fine. But I don't know. Again, motocross coming up. You guys tell me. Who do you think wins 450, 250? Who you're excited to see? Are you going to any races? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Hey guys, figured I'd come on here, give you guys an update. I'd say most of you probably know I got hurt, but I haven't really said much. Last Wednesday, I had a crash. Just freak mechanical in the whoops and hit the ground pretty hard. Broke 2 bones, my ulna and my radius, and then also broke my collarbone. Flew to Vail to get surgery Thursday, so the next day. Had 1 surgery Thursday night. They fixed the 2 bones just below my elbow. I swelled up pretty bad, so they didn't want to try to do the collarbone with it. So Friday night, I had surgery on the collarbone, and the swelling was a lot on the arm, so they ended up opening up both my incisions on my arm and put these little wound vac things in there. And so pretty much since then, I've had these wound vacs pumping stuff out and making sure the swelling stays down. Yesterday, I had another surgery to get one of the wound vacs removed, and it's been feeling a lot better since then. I still have 1 in. Supposed to have another surgery tomorrow to see if they can finish and get the final one out. Might finish tomorrow, might end up having to do tomorrow and Friday. So just, doing my best to hang in there. It's been a pretty miserable week, but we're getting through it. And just, I want to say a big thank you to my team for supporting me and staying behind me through all of this. We had a really good second half of the season and really was stoked with it. Stoked with the bike, stoked with the team, just everything. Also, big shout out to my family. My wife's been here taking care of me in the hospital. We kind of expected to be here for like 2 days, and it's been almost a week now. So it sucks, but it is what it is. I'm going to come back stronger, and just thanks everyone for the support.